We are proud to have over 400 participants from 15 countries with us today. So it is truly a global platform for exchanging ideas and working together.
Actually bring together experts around the globe and sharing technologies, innovation and experience.
Through the Housing Summit today, we can see that Hong Kong is a place to turn ambition into execution in many innovative technologies in the construction industry.
Members of the government around the world to connect these technologies in a way that can really orchestrate a solution that provides housing that's more affordable and equitable and socially optimised for its occupants.